Good morning, my name is Sahil. On behalf of Gyansetu Education, I will be taking the classes of data analytics. Throughout the video, I will be giving a brief introduction of the data analysis, advanced Excel, VBA macros and SQL Server. So first we need to understand what do we mean by data analysis. So data is nothing but it is a set of information which can be in the form of a number, and an analysis of those numbers is nothing but data analysis. So we are doing nothing, we are just analyzing certain set of numbers and we are generating some output out of it. If we go to early 1970s, so we already know in the industry we were not using computers. So if we talk about the public sector or maybe the semi-scale industries or the lower scale industries, so nobody was using the computers in their organizations. Still they were doing their work, the businesses were running, but as we have seen in early 1990s or early 2000, when the data was keep on increasing, so it was really getting difficult to handle the data, to handle the information, and it was really getting difficult to analyze the information from those set of records. So again we need some tool where we can capture the complete information, and that is why the Microsoft company, they introduced a tool which is called as Microsoft Excel, and which was introduced in 1987. And Excel has got many powerful features like automatic calculations, graphic designing, generating reports using some pivot tables, and the most interesting and the important feature is macro programming language called as Visual Basics for Application. So when you see the data analytics job in the industry, so you must be searching out on different portals like job portals like naukri.com, monster.com. So most of the companies, they are requiring SQL Server, advanced Excel, VBA macros, vlookup, hlookup, conditional formatting, pivot tables, and many other skill sets. So we need to understand what all these terminologies actually mean by, and how we can make ourselves proficient in each and every technical skill. So apart from advanced Excel, VBA macros, we need to learn what the industry actually do using a SQL Server, and what is the exact meaning of a SQL database, and how can we write the queries using a SQL programming language. So again, the objective of the training is nothing but to train you on the advanced Excel part and on the SQL Server, so that if you are looking out for any opportunity in the data analytics, you should be comfortable in appearing for the interview. And by the end of the training, we'll be covering multiple live projects. So you'll be working on the automation of the Excel reports, and you will be doing a live project for any organization. The prerequisites of the training is even if you are a fresher or you belong to any industry, it could be HR or maybe sales department or maybe marketing or maybe finance, so you can learn it very easily, because VBA is a very basic level of programming language, so everybody I think can learn it. And definitely if you have any question like should we go for data analytics or maybe something else, then I would really suggest you in today's scenario, as we already know, the data is keep on increasing, so there are a lot of technologies like big data, Hadoop are already coming into industry. So big data, Hadoop is again a higher level of technology which may not be meant for the fresher level. So if you really want to build up your career into data analytics, so this is the time, this is the area you can start up with your advanced Excel training and build up your skill on VBA macros, then SQL Server, and then you can definitely shift to maybe big data maybe 1 year down the line. So that will be more helpful to understand the industry from the actual scenarios. And if you are looking out for the salary packages, so for a fresher you can get somewhere around 3 to 5 lakhs, and if you have an experience of maybe 2+ years, then you can expect a salary package of between 6 to 10 lakhs. So in my next video, I'll be covering the basics of Excel, and going further, we'll be working on the advanced Excel part. Thank you.